Hello students, have a nice day. In previous videos I have explained many topics. Today I would like to solve a problem of pollution. Nowadays it has become a serious problem. It has become a serious problem because we have been great careless. We are not so sensitive as we must be. Man has tried to conquer the nature from time to time. As a result, our environment has been polluted. It is not good to interfere with nature. The problem of pollution has become very serious today. Man has interfered too much with nature. If environment is polluted, all sorts of life, human, animal and vegetation is affected directly or indirectly. Step by step, the precious gift of nature are being destroyed and human life is being shortened by the pollution, air pollution, water pollution and noise pollution. Today, we are facing many kind of pollutions and so air pollution, water pollution and noise pollution. Air pollution is mostly caused by the smoke coming out of chimneys of factories, mills or workshops. Mills producing chemicals and acids give out such a foul smell that it becomes difficult to breathe. Air pollution may cause many diseases like lung disease, asthma, flu, headaches, etc. Now I would like to explain what is water pollution. Water pollution is the basis of life, but greed of man to get more and more money pollutes it. The owners of the industries dump waste materials either on the surface of the earth or in canals or rivers, so water is polluted. People use this polluted water and invite a number of diseases. Water pollution results in the outbreak of cholera in number of the cities of India. The Hindus float the dead bodies of their saints in holy rivers. Water animals eat these dead bodies and spoil the water. Noise pollution is dangerous to life. It is said that the noise more than 80 diseases cause deafness and other disease in large cities. The roar of vehicles is unbearable. If one stands at some busy center, he finds cars, scooters, buses, trucks and other automobiles passing there in thousands. Their engines and horns create noise pollution which is harmful for people's physical and mental health. To check the pollution, there should be planned industrialization. The debris and the industry should not be dumped on the surface of the earth or in the rivers. It should be destroyed by supervisors with suitable chemicals. One major step to check pollution is to create a technology for investigating and acting on complaints of irresponsible use of technology, as many people misuse new technologies without keeping in mind their long-term effects. Similarly, society has to suffer for the air pollution caused by the private and government industries. A technical expert could serve as an official then that can only press attention towards those who have applied new technologies responsibly. He can reassuring for the responsibility use of new technology. Another step can be used to less harmful technologies. The most important step to check pollution is public awareness. People should be made aware of the evil effects caused by pollution. The growth of trees should be encouraged. There should be no deforestation. People should not dump domestic based in the states, we should remain akin to nature. Check on growth of population is also necessary to control increasing pollution of environment. Keeping in mind the seriousness of the problem, the government of India has set up the Department of Environment to control pollution. The people of the country should also cooperate with the government. I have heard somebody has told me that there is a village near Kota where all the rich person of the Kota will like to go and to pass their night in the small village because they feel that there is fresh air. That's all for this period. That's all.